Bharatanatyam by Kumari Amruta Avsarala from Hyderabad. She is the disciple of Srimati Geeta Ganeshan Harishankar, and she has completed her diploma recently and has had her Rangapravesham. No, not yet. Okay. And she's a young artist performing here for the first time, but she has had the opportunities to perform at many other places in a number of cities. And she has won the first prize in All India Radio competition. And let us, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big hand to her.
Amruta will be starting the recital with a traditional Ganesh Stuti, Ganesha Gajavadana Beduve in Hamsadvani Ragam, composed by Sri Purandara Dasa in Aditalam. Gajavadana Beduve.
Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vigna Vinayaka Pada Namaste Pada Namaste Namaste Gajavadana Beduve Gajavadana Beduve Gauri Tanaya Gajavadana Beduve Gauri Tanaya Gajavadana Beduve Gauri Tanaya Trichagavanditane Sujanara Porevane 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 Gajavadana Beduve Pashankushadhara Parama Pavitra Pashankushadhara Parama Pavitra Mushika Vahana Munijana Prema Pashankushadhara Parama Pavitra Mushika Vahana Munijana Prema Gajavadana Beduve Gauri Tanaya Trichagavanditane Sujanara Porevane Gajavadana Beduve Modadi Ninnaya Padava Toro Sadhuvan